Sometimes you just have to break down and clean up. Like, oh, I can't show you guys anything. This next video, sorry I just mowed. Yeah, I need cleaning up too. This next video, I break my finger in Rudy's fuel lines on top of the tank looking for a leak dangling there. I got about 30 seconds left to a crunch in my ability, and when that 30 seconds was up, I had to pop my finger out and come down. So, cracked my finger on this one. It's a lot of video of cleaning my garage, but it's pretty cool. And trying to get, the thing you see me doing in this video is actually draining the transmission. That's a good DIY way to do it. So, but we don't get the transmission out in this one. I had to clean up a lot of stuff. But things start getting weird also. You'll see. I'm not planning on going anywhere, so I'm gonna document the bottom underside of my truck. I mean, Kevin just got through at his house burping all the power steering fluid. This piece of cake. Truck cooperated nicely. Like always, it only had to be done 3 times. But, you know, there's a learning curve for the dumb ones. Okay, everything's pretty dry. Even the rear main. I didn't leak at Kevin's either. I forgot to say something, but we'll see what happens. Kind of put her away sort of hot, full of air, gassy, like me. It's rude. So, just for fun, this is disconnected. Sorry. From the bottom of this. And I put a little bit of fluid in here, in the washer, and it poured straight to the ground. So I plugged it in, and it didn't work. So then I checked the fuse. It was bad. Put the fuse in, Squirt City. There's proof. I don't know if you can see it. Almost squirted me in the face. It's an ugly squirt, but it goes both ways, so it's not clogged. Repair 2 of the day. No leaks all night, not even the rear main. I gotta work on getting these tools cleaned up in here. There's sockets, a million of them in my cart. So I'll be cleaning the garage today. See ya. You can't see it, there it is. Just got home, it's still ticking hot, but this front tank's leaking. There's a drop right there by the strap. And it's not leaking slow either. It's going drip, 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 drip when I'm not turned off. It must be on top of the tank then, I think. Yep, it's dripping in there. Well, I only took the tank off once, and the bed, so, you know, gotta do everything twice. Rear main's back. Just put it outside, too. Teach it a lesson. I ought to point it straight at Blues Creek and step out. See how it holds fluid then. Broke my pinky yesterday is what it did. Oh. I hadn't been able to work on it yesterday or today. But I did crawl up in there and look at the tank. Yeah, you can't tell. It's bruised all the way around. That's where it hit that dot. And I know it fractured it in there. It's all puffy, purple. Anyway, I've only broke 8 fingers, so I know. But look what I've done today. Got this light going. I gotta move all those power tools somewhere else. Took it out of the yellow truck. And then from here is where I'm at now, trying to figure out what to do without a shed. And I need to put all that stuff somewhere and all of that stuff. This high frequency box especially, that's my TIG welder. It goes to the welder in the truck. But I hardly ever use it, it's for aluminum stuff. And back here I put a light, so it's not such creepy. And I just piled up a bunch of stuff over here. It's not used a lot. I still gotta organize, but you know. First things first. I hate these cluttery corners. If I want those jack stands in the back, I gotta dig. I don't wanna dig. Need to get rid of that aquarium. I like those shelves back there, but all this, I don't know, camping toilet and stuff and golf clubs, what the heck am I supposed to do? I need to move that plywood. I want to lean it up against the wall there. Then I gotta move all that What am I doing all that? I need a shed. Alright, this is what I'm going to do here. Hadn't done this before. I took off this little flex line off the hard line, the return line, and I put my famous hose in there. See? That one line there that I'm shining on is the hot line, the pressure line, and then this one here returns. So I put this hose on it. I'm gonna crank it up and see. I don't want it to spew over. Shield there. I gotta take off transmission lines that were behind it. I got the starter dangling by the, power cord. And I got grease in my eye. The same one. So anyway, that's where I'm at. Okay, not much progress since last time. Did get the transmission lines off, but Rod showed up and we've been working on his car. And now I'm too cold, so I'm gonna go take a shower. That's gonna be it for today. It's too cold. Transmission's still in.